Hi friends, how are you? By blessings to God, you are doing well. So this is Dr. A B JENA, faculty member, PG Department of Business Management, Fakir Modi University, Bansasur, Balasore, Odisha. Friends, today in this video lecture, we are going to discuss the vital 30 MCQs, I mean the multiple choice questions from the banking and insurance. So far as this discussion is concerned, so this discussion will be very useful not only to the students but also this discussion will be very useful to those who are preparing for the competitive exams. Friends, so in each and every MCQ you will find the four alternatives, I mean the four options. Out of the four options, so one is the right option for the respective MCQ. Friends, without delay we will start our discussion. So once again I am also requesting to all of you, if during the discussion if any mismatch or gap you will find, kindly you give your valuable comment and suggestion in the comment section. So far as your comment and suggestions, your valuable suggestions and comments are most welcome for the next video. Friends, without delay we will start our discussion. First MCQ: the amount of money is controlled by whom in India? A. Niti Aayog, B. Commercial Bank, C. Government of India, D. It's a Reserve Bank of India. Friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. So D is the right option for this MCQ. The amount of money is controlled by RBI, I mean the Reserve Bank of India, RBI. So next one MCQ: which bank is known as the bankers of a bank? A. Reserve Bank of India, B. State Bank of India, C. Punjab National Bank, D. It's NABARD. Friends, A is the right option for this MCQ. I mean the Reserve Bank of India or RBI is known as the bankers bank. So A is the right option for this MCQ. So next one MCQ, it's also very interesting. Largest public sector bank in India is which bank? A. State Bank of India, B. Punjab National Bank, C. Eco Bank, D. It's Canara Bank. Friends, A is the right option for this MCQ. The largest public sector bank in India is the State Bank of India, I mean the SBI. So A is the right option for this MCQ. So next one MCQ, which among the following is not a public sector bank? A. Indian Bank, B. It's ICICI Bank, C. Bank of Baroda, D. It's Union Bank of India. And so B is the right option for this MCQ. I mean ICICI Bank is not a public sector bank. So Indian Bank, Bank of Baroda, Union Bank of India. So these are the public sector banks in India. So next one MCQ, which bank is the largest private sector bank in India? A. Axis Bank, B. ICICI Bank, C. It's HDFC Bank, D. It's Bandhan Bank. Friends, so C is the right option. C is the right option. I mean HDFC Bank is the largest private sector bank in India. So next one MCQ, which is the largest foreign bank in India? A. It's a Federal Bank, B. It's a DBS Bank Limited, C. It's the Standard Chartered Bank, C. It's a D. It's a HSBC Limited. Friends, so C, I mean the Standard Chartered Bank is the largest foreign bank in India. So in serially it's wrong, so it's C and it's D. So C is the right option for this MCQ. So next one MCQ, which is the first bank in India to introduce the credit card? A. Central Bank of India, B. State Bank of India, C. It's Punjab National Bank, D. It's Eco Bank. Friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. I mean Central Bank of India, CBI, is the first bank in India to introduce the credit card. So next one MCQ, which one from the among is the first bank to introduce the ATM in India? A. Hong Kong and Shanghai Banking Corporation. B. It's ICICI Bank. C. It's State Bank of India. D. It's United Bank of India. Friends, A is the right option for this MCQ. Sorry, A is the right option for this MCQ. I mean Hong Kong and Shanghai Banking Corporation. I mean HSBC is the first bank or first bank who introduced the ATM in India. So next one MCQ. Which bank is the largest bank in the world? A. Bank of England. B. It's US Bank JP Morgan Chase. C. It's HSBC Holdings Limited. D. It's Industrial Commercial Bank of China Limited. Friends, so B is the right option. I mean the US Bank JP Morgan Chase is the largest bank in the world as per the market capitalization 2022. Friends, so during the discussion, if any mismatch or gap you will find, kindly you give your valuable comment and suggestion in the comment section. So next one MCQ. The full form of a CVV is what? A. It's a cash verification value. B. It's the card verification value. C. It's the credit verification value. D. It's the customer verification value. Friends, so B is the right option. So you will find, friends, in a ATM card, debit card, in backside you will find what the CVV. So B is the right option for this MCQ. So C stands for card, V stands for verification, and again V stands for value. So it's CVV stands for the card verification value. So next one MCQ. The headquarter of Bank of International Settlement, I mean BIS is where? A. It's America. B. England. C. Japan. D. Switzerland. Friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. The headquarter of a Bank of International Settlement is BIS is the Switzerland. So next one MCQ. How many digits are there in IFSC code? Option A 9, 11, 13 and 15. Friends, so B is the right option. I mean, so in IFSC code there are how many? 11 digits. Friends, you have to remember. So next one, what is the full form of IFSC? What is the full form? The full form of IFSC is Indian Fund System Code. B. It's Indian Federal System Code. C. It's the Indian Financial System Code. D. It's the Indian Finance System Center. Friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. The full form of IFSC is what? I stands for Indian, F stands for Financial, then S stands for System, and C stands for Code. So the full form of Indian IFSC is Indian Financial System Code. So C is the right option. So next one, the full form of RTGS. Normally the fund will be transferred through this RTGS. What is the full form of RTGS? A. Real term gross settlement. B. Real technique gross settlement. C. It's the real time gross security. D. It's the real time gross settlement. Friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. The full form of RTGS. R stands for real, T stands for time, G stands for gross, and A stands for settlement. So RTGS is the real time gross settlement. So next one MCQ. The full form of NEFT is what? Both the RTGS and NEFT, it's used to transfer the money. A. It's National Electronic Fund Transfer. B. It's Neutral Electronic Fund Transfer. C. It's Nominal Electronic Fund Transfer. And the last one, it's the Night Electronic Fund Transfer. Friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. is national, E stands for electronic, F stands for fund, T stands for transfer. The full form of NFT is National Electronic Fund Transfer. So next one MCQ, the policyholders of insurance is known as what? A. Insurer, B. Insured, C. It's compensator, D. It's the none of the above. Friends, the policyholder is known as the insured. So insurer is the life insurance company, maybe the life insurance company or maybe the non-life insurance company. Again I am repeating, the policyholders of insurance is known as the insured. I mean the B is the right option for this MCQ. So next one MCQ, insurance helps to us what? A. Prevent adverse situations from occurring, the losses. B. It's the reduce the financial consequences of adverse situation. C. It's the negate all consequences of adverse situation. D. It's make assets continuously productive. So B is the right option. So insurance help us, or insurance is there to reduce the financial consequences of adverse situations. So B is the right option for this MCQ. So next one MCQ, the main purpose of having the life insurance is what? A. As an avenue for a long-term investment. B. As a medium for getting the income tax benefits from saving. C. It's as an avenue for short-term investment. D. It's all the above, friends. So D is the right option. I mean the policyholder insured will get the opportunity to have the long-term investment. Similarly, the policyholder, I mean the insured, will get the income tax benefit from the savings as well as. So in the life insurance will also provide the opportunity avenue for the short-term investment. So D is the right option for this MCQ. So next one MCQ, the principles of what? I mean both the life insurance as well as both the life insurance as well as the non-life insurance, there are some principles. So the principles of or which principle states that an insured does not make profit by insuring with multiple insurers. Friends, so insurer means the insurance companies. A. Subrogation, B. Its contribution, C. Its insurance, reinsurance, D. Its indemnity. Friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. The principles of contribution. The principles of contribution state that an insured, I mean the policyholder, does not make profit by insuring with multiple insurers. So next one MCQ, which or dash described as a social device to reduce or eliminate the risks of loss to life as well as to property. It's a investment, B it's a savings, C it's insurance, D it's a loan. So C is the right option for this MCQ. Insurance is described as, or insurance is described as a social device to reduce or eliminate the risks of loss to life as well as to property. So insurance will reduce the or avoid or eliminate the risks of loss of life as well as to the property. So next one MCQ, the surrender value is the percentage of what? A. It's the capital investment or invested. B. It's paid value. C. It's the investment value minus the interest. D. It's the loan value. Friends, so B is the right option. Surrender value is the percentage of paid value. Whenever a policyholder is not able to pay the premium regularly or continuously, and in this situation, if a policyholder surrenders the policy to insurance company, and the insurance company will pay the surrender value in the percentage of paid value. So next one MCQ, a policy with coverage for an indefinite term or period is known as what? A. It's the endowment policy. B. It's the whole life policy. C. It's the term insurance policy. D. It's all the above. Friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. B. Whole life policy. The policy with coverage for an indefinite period or the term is known as the whole life policy. So next one MCQ, the policies are related to the time policies are related to what? Fire insurance, B it's a whole insurance, C it's the personal accident insurance, D it's the motor vehicles insurance. Friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. Time policies are related to whole insurance. So B is the right option for this MCQ. So next one, MCQ, the full form of IRD is what? A. Insurance Regulatory and Development Activity. B. It's Insurance Regulatory and Development Assurance. C. It's Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority. D. It's Insurance Regulatory and Department Actuarial. So C is the right option for this MCQ. I stands for insurance, R stands for regulatory, D stands for development, A stands for the authority. So IRDA, the full form of IRDA is Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority. So next one MCQ, Indian insurance industry is governed by whom? A. General Insurance Business Nationalization Act is that is 1972. B. It's Life Insurance Corporation Act 1956. Then IRD, I mean the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority, Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority Act is it's 1999, and last one is all the above. So D is the right option for this MCQ. The Indian insurance industry is governed by General Insurance Business Nationalization Act 1972, as well as Life Insurance Corporation Act 1956, as well as Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority Act 1999. So D is the right option for this MCQ. The selling of insurance products through bank is known as what? A. Franchise. B. It's a bank insurance. C. It's the bank assurance. D. It's insurance linked banking. Friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. The selling of insurance product through banks is known as what? The bank assurance. So C is the right option for this MCQ. I mean, from one door or from bank, a customer can avail both the banking services, banking product, as well as insurance services or insurance product. So next one, MCQ, which policy or dash is a policy that offers both the options of investment and insurance? A. It's health insurance. B. It's the unit linked insurance plan. C is that is term insurance. D. It's the fire insurance. Okay? So B is the right option. I mean ULIP. In short form, it's ULIP. ULIP. So ULIP, unit linked insurance plan, is a policy that offers both the options of investment as well as insurance. So B is the right option for this MCQ. So next one MCQ, insurable interest means which interest or dash interest? It's A. Individual, B. It's social, C. It's monetary, D. It's all the above. Friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. Insurable interest means the monetary interest. So C is the right option for this MCQ. So next one MCQ, the period of fire insurance is what? It's A. 1 year, B. 2 years, C. 3 years, D. It can be many years. Friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. The period of fire insurance is 1 year. So A is the right option for this MCQ. So last but not the least, MCQ, when the same risk and subject matter is insured with more than one insurer is called as or known as what? A. It's the over insurance. B. It's the reinsurance. C. It's the external insurance. D. It's the double insurance. Friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. When the same risks and subject matter is insured with more than one insurer is called what? It's the double insurance. So D is the right option for this MCQ. So these are the 30, the most important, I mean the most expected questions from the banking and insurance. So dear friends, so I am hopeful that you have learned a lot. So I will have the request to all of you, if you have not subscribed my channel, kindly you subscribe it, kindly you forward it, kindly you share it, and I am waiting your valuable comment and suggestions. So thanks a lot to all of you.